Hi everyone!
I'm Zoe.
I'm Luca.
My name is Diane.
My name is Ria. Today we're here because we're launching the INSSAKIT. What we're doing is a mukbang challenge.
For those of you who don't know, mukbang is actually a portmanteau of 먹는, which means eating, and bangsang, which means broadcast in Korean.
We're gonna go up in spicy level, so we're gonna first start with the cheese ramen, and then we're gonna go with the black ramen, and then we're gonna go to the mother of all ramens, which is the red ramen.
Did you try before or?
Not once, and I'm very bad at spice.
Wait, should we just like delve into this?
I made a mistake. That's not too bad. It's nice. I still need to drink though.
I think it's not as bad as I think it's gonna be.
Do you think of Korea when you think of spicy food, or do you think of elsewhere?
Usually I will connect like very spicy food with Korea, like also the kimchi, you know?
Kimchi's
Do
not
you
that spicy though.
I love Korean food.
What do you normally gravitate towards?
Well, you know, barbecue.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's so good.
Have you been to Korea actually?
I've never been. I always wanted to go.
Oh, I want to go. The winter looks amazing.
Only Seoul, actually.
I've
Yeah.
only been to Jeju. The weather is so good. Like, no wonder so much of like Korean skincare is like from like Jeju.
What was the first thing you think of when you think of Korea?
K-pop.
K-pop.
K-pop, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not that up to date with the K-pop, but actually I used to be a huge fan of Big Bang. Everyone knows about BTS. Everyone's an army apparently.
Of course I know BTS. And
Yeah?
also like the newest song is pretty good.
I haven't heard the new song.
Yeah.
Don't kill me, guys. Don't kill me, armies.
Oh my god, look at this. It looks so spicy. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. It's nice.
It's nice. Just
It's
wait.
fine.
Just wait. When it comes to skincare, do you have like a favorite product?
I haven't really used K-beauty before until very recently, and I started to like use some face cleanser from I think CosRX I'm using.
Ooh.
Yeah, the morning gel cleanser.
Oh, that's such a popular product.
You're gonna start with the basics, but it was really good, and
Yeah?
I'm so astonished how well it's working.
You don't know about K-pop, do you?
I only know BTS to be honest.
BTS?
No, I know the Wonder Girls. You know the nobody but you. That one.
I'm more like a second generation K-pop lover myself. Like my first K-pop group was 소녀시대 or Girls' Generation. Yes, and it was like, and like I was like, I'm 21.
21. I know. 21 is great.
Blackjack forever.
Yeah, actually, I was going to ask you what is like your favorite product in the INSSAKIT, because there's
Should
also
we open
makeup
it then?
included, right?
Let's have a break. My lungs are burning.
Wait. Before we unbox, can we please appreciate this design?
It's actually really cute.
It's really cute.
Oh my god!
Look at this.
This is so cute. Oh my god.
Oh
wait.
my god! Please let me put this on you, please.
Ooh, it smells good.
It
Yeah.
smells like honey.
Okay, I'm ready for you. I'm ready. Wait. It feels so fresh though. I love it.
Oh, Food Studio, yes. I really love this brand. They have like this thing where like every color is based on like a genre of music.
Okay.
Yeah, that's their whole thing. It's really cool. Plus it's vegan and it's owned by a woman. Yes.
So you into BTS, huh?
Yeah, of course.
We have a BTS and VT eyeshadow.
I heard that.
So pretty. It's like a rose gold color.
I like the packaging. It's really nice.
Ooh, it's double layered.
Oh, it's creamy. It's quite subtle.
Yeah,
It's good.
but I like it. I like it.
for
I
every
think
day.
it fits you.
Ooh, peach tea. Also owned by a woman, by the way. Hano. It's matte.
Yes, it is.
Everyone
matte.
needs a matte.
No, I don't like mattes.
You don't like matte?
Take all the mattes away from me.
What? What kind of skin do you have?
Oily.
Yeah,
I think combination.
Most people who have oily skin prefer matte because you don't want to be a walking disco ball. You have oily skin, you have highlighter, and you have a lip gloss on. You are a walking disco ball.
But what if I want to be a disco ball?
You were talking about BTS, so
Yes.
we got another good one here.
We got another BTS.
Because we got this one here, and I must say this box directly caught my attention when I checked inside, and it's our.
boy with love.
No, it's about the. There you go. You got me. This is from their latest, like one of the latest songs, right? So like this is the setting. Remember, there's like the couch in front of this wall, and it looks really fancy. And it is a contact lens case.
Oh wow!
Oh my God! There's even a card inside.
Okay, so I propose something. Let's try to finish this as we talk about skincare because we need good skincare after eating this. All the pimples are gonna be like, hey girl!
You need to mix it up. You see the red spiciness coming up.
Oh my god. Oh, it's nice.
Not bad.
You can feel it. For me, it's fine. But like maybe it's because I haven't eaten enough yet. Oh, now it starts burning, guys.
Yes, but
Now I'm gonna take some milk here.
What was your first Korean brand?
This one by me, HA, BHA, and then niacinamide 2%.
Well, my first skincare is always like Innisfree. It's like the basic go-to for any like K-beauty enthusiast.
Okay, so talking back about K-pop. You know, anything else like female bands, for example? Oh my God, it's like this one is like
To anyone. Oh, Blackpink.
Yoon Twice.
Yeah, I don't
Twice.
like Twice. Oh.
And this year, like last year, Mamamoo were pretty big, right?
Oh, Mama Moo's hot. Oh, Hwasa. Oh.
I'm getting real warm. I'm sweaty.
Thank God, I'm wearing black.
What, for your funeral?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Is there any makeup trend or skincare trend that you've kind of been like noticing?
They always have this like, wait, there's this special technique on the lips, right? Like my lips are getting...
Your lips, man. What are they called? Chewy lips. There's actually a 2020 rendition of the Radiant Lips. It used to be like, it's like a really dark color named lips.
Okay.
And you blend it out. But now like they try to make it more natural. So they add more layers of it.
For me, this is totally natural right now, so I don't need that.
You know where we really want to go? Gyeongju. Like the original capital of Korea. Like the historical. So there's like a lot of historical sites.
Honestly, if you want to try this at home, guys, get yourself enough milk.
A whole carton.
Is my makeup fine?
No,
No?
no,
Then it's not waterproof?
no.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching us suffer.
Thank you.
Okay, she's nearly dead. So thank you guys for all watching, and we hope you tune again.
Bye.
Bye bye.